Here's how to convert iPhone slow motion video for video editing. So let me explain the whole topic, and if you are new here and first time on the Foxtecc channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the only difference when you capture a slow motion video on your iPhone compared to the regular one is the amount of frames per second, right? So the frame rate basically gets changed. So you capture the video not in a 30, not in a 60 FPS, but likely in 120 or 240. And that is going to be the only difference when you import the clip into the video editor. So you might be editing the shot in like your phone using like CapCut or something. And when you import it in there, you will see it as a regular clip. And you can see when you tap on the speed, you'll be able to adjust it and, for example, dial it down to like, small numbers so you can, make it even half the speed, and it's going to be okay because, it's captured in more FPS. So that's the whole point behind it. And there isn't really anything that you have to do to like convert it, because you can use it in most video editors normally. It's just captured in more like FPS, right? Because if you just import it regularly and you don't change the speed, and then export the clip, the export will be in the selected frame rate. So for example, in my video editor, I did decide that this project is going to be 30 FPS. So no matter which shot I import in here, the end result is going to be in the 30 FPS, right? So that's something that you should pay attention to. Yeah, that's only the difference. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.